before, that's why. Almost like 11, 12. Let me say it 1. 11, 1. 11, 11, 1. Can't talk say. I just 11, 12,
Okay.
1.
By the way, while you were smiling at the time, you look so pretty.
No, I'm like this. You
What?
know, I don't like people so like this. I
What?
don't like. Just smile, okay?
Yeah, smile is part of happiness. So whenever we're smiling, that will represent your happiness. Oh my goodness, what is that?
Of course, it's a smoke.
Smoke, but what type of smoke?
Smoke. Where the smoke come from? From the
Yeah,
fire, right?
yeah, I wanna know that. uh, it's mean that you're a smoker as well, right?
Not much. Not much.
So, can you please tell me that why people like to smoke?
Hmm?
Why people like to smoke?
Because sometimes they stress or they want to try to smoke like that.
Yeah, it
They
can
want
be,
to
but
try smoke. How it feels like that.
so yeah, maybe yeah, a lot of people they are saying that thing, the similar thing. They are saying that we are smoking because of smoke can reduce our stress, depression.
Yeah,
Is it true?
it is. Yeah, but you cannot smoke too much because it's very not good to your health, you know. Not much.
But
If you're okay, you can.
to be honest, I cannot tolerate smoke. Smoke. It's really weird.
Yeah,
The
okay.
smoke is my like
It's
smell is
really
really exhausted.
really.
But a lot of a lot of friends of mine they are asking that, Shamrat, can you smoke? Because your lip is literally black, and at the time I feel like shy. But I didn't smoke it.
Because it's not because of your lips is black or what. Because sometimes it's like the color of the skin like that. Sometimes I'm like that. I'm not white. I'm not black. At the middle,
Yeah.
like your skin like that.
No, you're literally pretty. So I wanna. Oh my goodness. You know what? In my country, it's really it's once in a blue moon to see someone, especially girls, they are smoking in my country.
But sometimes they're talking about me like, oh, you're smoking? Yes. Why? Do you have a problem with that? No, I didn't have. Like, if you want to try, just smoke. You can buy.
Okay, it's really interesting, but it is really danger for our health as well. That's why you have to
Tapos ko lang
care about you.
mag- they say like, stop smoking. You can stop that because it's not good to your health. I said, it's not your life. It's not your body. It's my money. I'm smoking. I don't care about you.
Yeah. Oh
Like
my
that.
goodness. That's really
Yeah.
interesting. So yeah,
You're not the one who
this
buys
is one kind
like
of
that.
dialogue. This is one kind of dialogue. Whenever we will say by or someone saying that, why you were smoking, they're saying that it's my money, it's my life, so it's my rules.
Yeah.
I will decide what I have to do.
Yeah.
So how many? So
Don't bother like that.
so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
For me, I have 4 brothers. That the other one is already gone. Like he go in heaven now. Last January, January 27, last month like that.
Okay.
So I have only 3 brothers and only me.
Okay, that's great. Really good family you have.